Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use template blocks in Geometry Dash. Template blocks are a powerful feature, allowing you to save and reuse groups of objects. This significantly speeds up your level creation process. Imagine building complex structures just once, then placing them repeatedly with ease. You can access the template editor directly from the main editor menu, making it simple to get started and enhance your building efficiency. To create your first template, begin by selecting all the objects you wish to include. After selecting, click the Edit button, then navigate to the Save and Load option. From there, simply press the Save button to store your chosen objects. Remember to give your new template a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later. This step saves you countless hours of repetitive building. Once you have saved your templates, loading them into a new level is straightforward. Go back to the Save and Load menu within the editor. This time, select the Load tab to view all your previously saved designs. Choose the specific template you need and click Load to instantly place it into your level. You can then precisely position the loaded template exactly where it needs to be. Managing your template library effectively is key to maintaining an organized workflow. You have the flexibility to easily rename or delete any existing templates that are no longer needed. Consider organizing your templates by grouping similar designs together, perhaps by theme or function. Regularly reviewing and updating your templates ensures they remain efficient and relevant for all your future level creations. A clean library means faster access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.